एज भारत माता और इंडिपेंडेंस डे लेट्स स्टार्ट। मैं भारत माता, मेरी संतानों ने मुझे देवी का दर्जा दिया है। मैं अति प्रसन्न हूँ कि मेरे भारत देश में कई जाति के लोग बड़े ही प्रेम व्यवहार से रहते हैं, किंतु कुछ समय मैं दुखी भी हूँ। कई बार भारत देश में जातियों को लेकर विवाद भी हो जाते हैं। मेरी सदा से यही इच्छा रही है कि भारत देश में कभी कोई भी विवाद ना हो। इसीलिए मैं आप सबको एक सीख देना चाहती हूँ, अपने और औरों के लिए पथ का दीपक बने। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. Myself Lakshmi Pushkar, student of Indian Eastern Junction. On this beautiful occasion of 75th Independence Day, our student of class 10, Krishna Srivastava, is going to perform a dance on a patriotic song. So I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you.
कोई गम है क्या तेरी दूर से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, जानसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते हैं के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज़ छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले।
तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था, ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझी। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझी। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के, मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावां, तेरे खेतों में लहरावां, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ये प्रण लेती हूँ कि इस झांसी को इन अंग्रेजों की गुलामी में नहीं रखूंगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Tariq Ahmad, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you Ashfaq Ullah Khan slogan. जाऊंगा खाली मगर ये दर्द सहा ना जाएगा, जाने किस दिन हिंदुस्तान आजाद वतन कहलाएगा। Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Zubia, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to speak about My India slogan in Hindi. ज्योति से ज्योति जलाएंगे, हम नया सवेरा लाएंगे, गली गली में नारा है, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। धन्यवाद।
सभी को नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नशरा है। मैं कक्षा 7 की छात्रा हूँ। मैं रेडियंट स्टडी जंक्शन में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष अपने भारत देश पर कुछ शब्द बोलने जा रही हूँ। हमारा देश भारत विश्व का सर्वश्रेष्ठ देश है। हमें अपने देश पर गर्व है। हमारे देश का एक प्राचीन नाम आर्यवर्त था। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hello everyone, myself Lakshika. I am the student of Radiant Study Junction. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. Today we all are celebrating 75th Independence Day. आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव with the theme Nation First, Always First. Independence Day is the symbol of million freedom fighters. Thank you.
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने, देता ना दशमलव भारत तो यूं, चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था, धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई।
Hello everyone, myself Shrishti Kesarwani, student of Radiant Study Junction of class 9. Today I will speak some lines on great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a prominent freedom fighter of India. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village in Punjab. His father name was Kisan Singh and mother name was Vidyavati. He had bravely fought for the independence of India. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, today we all are here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. On this occasion, we the students of Radiant Study Junction of class 8 are going to perform group song Ae Watan. Thank you.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Hello everyone, myself Asakal. I am the student of Radiant Study Junction. I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on an Independence Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August 2022 and we are celebrating our Independence Day. This day is very important to all of us because on this day in 1947, we got freedom from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Vallabhbhai Patel and many others devoted entire their life to independent our country. I love my country. Thank you.
A very delightful good morning to all of you. Myself Anya Yadav, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to present a speech on the count of Independence Day. So India got freedom from Britishers on 15th August 1947 and today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. So on this occasion I am going to tell you about the first leader of independence movement, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in the year 1856, 23rd of July. He was Marathi by birth and hailed in city Ratnagiri. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was Indian as Lokmanya and he was at the forefront of the Indian independence movement and was considered as a very important independence activist before Gandhiji entered the scene in early 1900s. He was one of the strongest advocates of Swaraj and was seen as a radical leader and he was one-third of the Lal Bal Pal pyramid. At that time, the independence activists were divided along the line, the moderates and the extremists, and Tilak belongs to the extremist faction. The British colonial authorities called him as the father of Indian unrest and also Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. During independence, he had adopted a slogan that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He died on 1st August 1920 and he is remembered for his strong advocacy and political goals related to the concept of Swaraj for India. So by ending this speech, I am wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone. everyone, myself Janvi Mishra. I am student of Radiant Study Junction. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, so I am going to speak few lines about Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was one of the most formidable freedom fighters of India. India remembers him because of his sacrifice and bravery. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Madhya Pradesh. His love for the Sanskrit language introduced him to the nationalist fight for India. He actively participated in many national movements. He shot himself and died on 21 February 1931 at the age of 24 to keep his promise of not being captured alive by the Britishers. His absence is felt by every Indian even today. Thank you.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा.
Everyone, myself Ananya Pal from Radiant Study Junction. I am here to present a welcome speech for Independence Day. Today it's our 75th Independence Day and we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom to speech, freedom to live life in our own way. We do not have to follow anyone's slavery, but this was not the case. 75 years ago, when we were a slave to the British government, India has been ruled by Britishers for around 200 years, and after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighters, we achieved Independence Day on 15th August 1947. On this day, the national flag was hoisted on Red Fort, Delhi by PM Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, we were celebrating Independence Day in every government school, colleges, every department. This is a day of joy, pride for every citizen of our country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am in the get-up of Begum Hazrat Mahal. She rebelled against the British East India Company during the revolt of 1857 and seized control over Lucknow. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई एम इन द गेटअप ऑफ सरोजिनी नायडू. एक देश की महानता, बलिदान और प्रेम उस देश के आदर्शों पर निहित करता है. थैंक यू.
Everyone, myself Dev Joy, friend of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to speak on Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 28 September 1907. And his father name was Sardar Kishan Singh and his mother name was Vidyavati. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, reputable director, ma'am, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Myself, Rashmi Pushkar, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today, on this beautiful occasion of 75th Independence Day, I am going to share a few words about the great personality of India, also known as Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's real name is Javed Bhai Vallabhbhai Patel. He brought a biggest contribution in giving independence to our India. Also, he served the country as the first Deputy Prime Minister from 1947 to 1950. He was a barrister and senior leader of Indian National Congress. He brought unity to our country. He is also known as Iron Man of India because of his strong determination in integrating 562 princely states to construct Republic of India. He is such a great freedom fighter and country lover. Our country is blessed to have this type of freedom lover. Thank you and have a nice day. Again, I wish you all happy Independence Day.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Manat Kumar Srivastava. I am in class 7D and I am student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you some information about Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 and I am going to tell you slogan of Gandhi ji. व्यक्ति अपने विचारों के सिवाय कुछ नहीं है, वह जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है.
Hello everyone, myself Siddhi Mishra, a student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to speech on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Let's start. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of our India. We got Independence Day on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. On this day, many people sacrifices of freedom fighters. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.